I tried Shamir Backup Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I tested the Shamir Backup Wallet app for 7 days, I was expecting just another security tool for crypto storage. But the shocking truth is that Shamir Backup completely changes how you protect your crypto, making it almost impossible to lose access or get hacked. On day 1, setup introduced me to a concept most people overlook: distributed key security. Instead of storing one recovery phrase, Shamir Backup splits it into multiple unique shares. You can store these in different locations, and only a specific number of them are needed to restore your wallet. By day 2, I tested how it worked in practice. For example, you can create 5 recovery shares and set a threshold of 3. That means if you lose 2, you can still recover your entire wallet with the remaining 3. It's a smart, flexible approach that solves the biggest problem in crypto: single point failure. Midweek, I simulated potential loss scenarios. I deleted one backup and corrupted another, yet I was still able to fully recover my wallet in minutes. That's when I realized how revolutionary this system is compared to traditional seed phrases. By day 5, I started thinking about real-world use. You would store one share in a bank safe, another with a trusted friend, and one at home. Even if one location is compromised, your crypto remains secure. After 7 days, the shocking truth became obvious. Shamir Backup isn't just a wallet feature, it's the future of crypto security. It gives you peace of mind that no single event, theft, or mistake can wipe out your funds. If you're serious about protecting your crypto for the long term, Shamir Backup is a game changer. Most people underestimate wallet recovery until it's too late, but with this system, you're always one step ahead.